Hi everyone. Excuse the bags under the eyes. It's early morning and I'm outside before the children wake. I'm just so happy. I'm just so happy. The joy of the Lord is upon me right now. Where do I start? I just want to share something with you that the Lord's been revealing to me, and it's just so powerful. He just keeps adding to it, just like he's revealing the mysteries, the hidden mysteries. And well, we all know that our bodies are a temple. They're a temple for God to dwell in. And God reminds me of the relevance of the story of the real temple, the physical temple that was destroyed. And you know, our bodies, our human temple was destroyed because of sin. And when we said yes to Jesus, we said yes to him coming in and cleaning us up. We said yes to him coming in and restoring the temple. And oops, sorry, mozzies. And so the Lord comes in to restore our temple. And then as the journey progresses, the Holy Spirit convicts you, and you begin the transformation process. And just like in the physical temple, there was a high priest, and he was the only one allowed in the Holy of Holies, and he would light the lamp on the menorah. The same thing happens within us. The same thing happens within our temple. The Lord comes in to restore it, and along the journey, he convicts you and he transforms you. And as he transforms each part of you, as he perfects and restores those things that were destroyed, it's like he lights the lamp of the menorah within your heart. And the more he lights those lamps inside, the brighter you start to shine, the less darkness that dwells within your temple. So gradually, lamp after lamp, he lights them until the entire menorah is lit, till you are just burning so brightly for him that nothing can extinguish you. Nothing. And just like the miracle of Hanukkah, where when the Jewish people took back the temple, and they claimed it back, just like when we claim back our body and we dedicate it to Christ, we claim it back. We say, no, this is not a body for sin. This is not a place for sin. We claim it back in the Lord's name, and he restores it. And we know from when the Jewish people took back the physical temple, there wasn't enough oil. The oil had been wasted, and there wasn't enough oil for them to burn their lamps for the festival. And you know, they weren't going to be able to light it and keep it running for the 7-8 days, or the 7 days actually they required, I think, from memory. And God performed a miracle, because the small portion of oil that they had was enough, miraculously, to burn for 8 days. And that's what Jesus does for us. He pours out his oil. He pours out his oil. He lights those lamps, and he gives us enough to keep us burning, not just 1 day, not just 2 days, 3, 4, 5, 6, but 8 days. 8 days. He provides us with enough oil to continue burning for the entire journey. Let him restore your temple. Let him come in and light that menorah, and let him fill you up with enough oil to burn all the way home. And we know that on the 7th day, God rested, and 8 days is about completion. So just hang in there. I don't know where you are on your journey, and I know Christ is doing a marvelous job in restoration. He is restoring his temple. He is restoring the spiritual temple which is his people. And he's written his laws upon their hearts, and they have become his people. Love you all. God bless.